this is Stacy from Let's Cook Y'all. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome. We are so glad you're here. We hope you like what you see and you'll hit that red subscribe button below. For everyone else, thank you for stopping by. We really do appreciate the support. We've got sort of a cooking video for you today. This is a viewer requested video. I've had several people leave comments and ask how I make salad, which I've been scratching my head about. I hadn't really been able to figure out a cohesive way to film it or present the information or plan it, but I've done the best I can. I hope it answers some of your questions about some of the different kinds of salads that we make and dressings and toppings and things like that. I hope you enjoy the video. The easiest salad that I make at home is a Caesar salad. I just take romaine, chop it up, mix it with croutons, shredded fresh Parmesan cheese, a whole lot of cracked black pepper, and we like this brand. I guess it's Cardini's. So that is a very easy, quick Caesar salad. I also make another variety that's more of a Greek Caesar. Another type of salad we like to have, especially in the summer, is to take some hearts of romaine and grill them outdoor on the grill while we're cooking some other stuff. I'll take the romaine hearts when they're hot, chop them up, and make two different kinds of Caesar salad. You can make a regular Caesar with Parmesan, croutons, and the dressing, and this is a Greek Caesar where instead of the Parmesan I substitute feta and I add Kalamata olives and croutons and toss it with Caesar dressing. This is another one that we really love. Of course, one of the most common and one of our favorite salads is just to do a large green salad and add some grilled chicken on top. So you can add any of the toppings that you like. This particular one has 2 mixes of lettuce, the grilled chicken, some hard-boiled egg, red onion, carrots, broccoli, cauliflower if I'd had it, cucumber, tomato on my husband's, mushrooms, hard-boiled eggs, 2 kinds of nuts, and craisins topped with a vinaigrette. And that's another easy, quick meal, is to make a large salad rather than just having it as a side. Harvest salad, it's got apples, craisins, red onions, cheese, walnuts, and some vinaigrette on it. Another salad that we like to have in the summer is an Asian chicken salad. I will share the recipe originally as it's written, as well as my modifications, of which there are many. You can take chicken breasts and marinate them in bottled teriyaki sauce. I didn't have any, so I made up a mixture of my own sauce with things I had from my pantry, like hoisin, sesame oil, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, rice wine vinegar, a few things like that. You also make up a dressing. The Asian dressing also has brown sugar, soy sauce, sesame oil, and vinegar, rice wine vinegar. We're going to top the salad, the slices of chicken, with things like mandarin oranges. The original recipe calls for rice noodles, but we're going to use chow mein noodles, some green onions, some toasted almonds, and some toasted sesame seeds. That's another idea for an entree salad. Okay, so this is the final product for an Asian chicken salad, or you could also add mandarin oranges on it, which some of us like, some of us do not, so that's another idea for salads. One of the dressings that I make is a ranch, and I have several varieties of it. I will leave a link to my ranch seasoning mix. You can also use a store-bought packet, store brand, or Hidden Valley Ranch. You mix it up with a thickener like mayonnaise or Greek yogurt, and you thin it out with either a liquid such as milk, buttermilk, or I've even used the whey from making my homemade yogurt in the Instant Pot. So you just mix up ranch seasoning mix, mayonnaise, and some yogurt and some milk, and it'll make a quick and easy ranch. If I have Mexican food, I add lime and cumin, and that gives you another variety. If I do Greek, I usually take tzatziki sauce and thin it down with milk, yogurt, or buttermilk. So those are a couple of different kinds of dressings that you can make at home to go on your salads. Today I'm going to mix up a quick honey mustard vinaigrette to go on a salad. It's very easy to make dressings at home. You just need the right ingredients. You'll need an oil, a vinegar, however you want to flavor it, and a whisk and a bowl. So I'm going to show you. I don't even measure. I just kind of eyeball. I usually use equal parts mustard and honey. I like to use a mixture of spicy brown and Dijon. I usually go ahead and add a dab of mayonnaise because I like mine a little creamier, and also because I'm Southern and I eat mayonnaise with or on everything. and then we will add the vinegar, and then we will finish at the end and whisk in the oil to emulsify it. So let me show you real quick. I just kind of eyeball it. I'm going to make some honey mustard dressing. That's a quick honey mustard vinaigrette. If you wanted it thicker, like a honey mustard dressing, just add more of the things with body, the mayonnaise and the mustards, and it'll make it a little thicker. I like it a little thinner where it's more like a vinaigrette. We will have this on our salad. I try to keep a well-stocked pantry of items that I will use in salads. These are some ideas, some things that I tend to keep on hand. Bacon bits, croutons. I like a lot of nuts, so I keep a variety of walnuts, pistachios, almonds, sunflower seeds. I love craisins, or you could have raisins in your salad. Just remember these do tend to add a lot of calories. We also like olives. You could use green olives. I keep regular black and also Kalamata olives, depending on the type of salad it is. I do like garbanzo or chickpeas. If you're doing a Southwest salad, I would add black beans or pinto beans and corn, or even kidney beans in a salad. Some of the proteins that we like to use is, if I don't have any meat on hand as leftovers, or I'm cooking something specifically, I've been known to take a packet of tuna or salmon out and add it to a salad. Some of the other proteins that you can add are chicken, steak. We really like flank steak. You could do ham, like for a traditional chef type salad with ham, chunks of cheese, and hard-boiled eggs. You could use leftover or smoked or grilled turkey. You could use salmon that you've poached or grilled or cooked in the oven. You can always do shrimp, tuna. Some of the fresh salad toppings that I don't have to show you that I'll list include hard-boiled eggs, carrots, any kind of a bell pepper, tomatoes, mushrooms, broccoli, cauliflower, sugar snap peas, red onion, radishes, cucumbers, zucchini, which Tim doesn't eat but I like, and my favorite, which is a fresh avocado. A lot of people like and buy, but I do not, things like beets, bean sprouts, celery, or Brussels sprouts. Remember, you have your choice of any kind of lettuces, and I also like to put some cheese on it. You can buy shredded or cube your own from a block. Colby Jack, cheddar, mozzarella are good. If you're doing a Greek salad, use feta, and if you want to top it or it works with the flavors you're doing, use Parmesan. So that's some ideas of different toppings in whatever form you like for your salads. As always, have a wonderful and blessed day, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.